Ever seen a motorcycle with an exhaust tip? Do you want a custom exhaust? You want 2% power increases for a bike that you ride on the street at 60% of its limit? You want a 1% weight reduction to fly in the face of diet and exercise? And moreover, ruin your emissions and fail your next road inspection, all for the low price of... Oh my. So really what you're saying is you just want to sound cool. Well, since loud pipes don't save lives according to the research, and I don't want my neighbors to hate me, here's how I spent $50. But first, a disclaimer. Modify your own bike at your own risk. Seriously, this is my first video with 1,000 subscribers. I can't afford to fix your bike just because you f***ed it up. This video is just for entertainment purposes. Before we get into the video, here's all the tools and supplies I needed. Smart people always use safety glasses and gloves. Dad, please don't comment. This is the point where I remember that my former boss owns an angle grinder. So, with a quick road trip, Well, that's it for this video. Sorry that the microphone sound doesn't do this modification justice, but don't take my word for it. Seriously, don't take my word for it. It's your bike. But I'm very happy with the results, especially having saved over $1,000. But till next time, this has been Kaiju Rider.